Hello everyone, T-Zilla. Welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I am back again on YouTube, and today I have another figure to review. I just showed this off on my vacation haul. You probably know by the title, and you probably know what it's going to be on. It's the Playmates Iron Dragon from Monarch Legacy of Monsters. And I got this guy at my local Target yesterday. And yeah, let's get to it. Real quick, we're going to take a look at the box that he's in. Here is an image of the Iron Dragon. Pretty cool image. Back of the box is pretty basic. It's the same artwork that we've gotten from Playmates. Godzilla, Kong, Mothra, King Ghidorah. Same artwork. Monsterverse. Back of the box. Picture of the figure, fully posable and articulated, and the advertisements. And right here, Monarch Legacy of Monster Iron Dragon. Once responsible for the destruction of the USS Lawton, the Iron Dragon strikes without warning. Its fin-like wings and iron-charged power make this Titan one of the Monarch's most terrifying early discoveries. And that's the box. Now let's take it out. Alright, here it is out of its box. Now let's go into detail. Detail on the Iron Dragon's really nice. I like how Playmates sculpted the head. There we go. Oops. As you can see, they did a really nice job detailing the head, nicely etching the teeth. Teeth are nicely etched in there. There we go. Teeth are nicely etched in there, like how the horns are sculpted. And I like how they sculpted the wings. Looks really nice. Claws. Got that thinner arm, muscles. Back, tail, got all that spike. And the entire body's nicely detailed. And I really like the pose on this thing. Paint job looks really nice. I like the gray color all over his entire body. Does look really nice. And I like how the mouth is painted, fully painted. Teeth are painted. Kind of hard to see, but the eyes are painted, horns are painted, and I really like how the wings are painted. Got that burgundy red right there, right there. Underside. There we go. Not really much to say. All I can say is paint job and detail looks really nice on the Iron Dragon. Spot on. Articulation, the head can rotate. Jaw doesn't move. The arms can go 360. Same on the other side. And you can spread out the arms like this. You can have the Iron Dragon flying. Arms can move. Same with the biceps. Claws. Legs can rotate up and down. And one thing I actually didn't know, that the feet on this monster can move. Look at that. First, the claws can move, the hands can move, and now the feet can move. And tail rotates 360. All right. That's articulation. That's pretty good. Now, size comparison. For comparison, let's pull out the monster that he fought in the season, Godzilla. And sizing is pretty close. Godzilla should be a little bit big. He should be about this big. But it's not too bad. Let's pull out the Bandai variant. Okay. Frostvark, I have not pulled out this guy in a while. Skullcrawler. Kong with Battle Axe. Rodan. And last, Mothra. So that's my review for today on the Playmates Iron Dragon. Detail, articulation, everything on the figure is pretty cool. Detail looks pretty good on the figure. Articulation is pretty good. And sizing is pretty basic. He is a 6-inch figure. The figure will get a 10 out of 10. Really lucky to find this thing at my local Target yesterday. If you're looking for an Iron Dragon to add into your collection, check out your local Target. That's where I got mine. If you find it, go ahead and pick it up. So that was my review for today. Thank you all so much for watching my content. You all are awesome. I really do appreciate it. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and comment down below. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you all for watching.